Imagine waking up 1 year from today, checking your phone, and realizing you now have more money working for you than you ever thought possible. What if, instead of worrying about bills and expenses, you actually had your money growing while you sleep? Here's the big question. What's stopping you from starting your investing journey right now, even if you know absolutely nothing about it? Welcome to the Money Game channel, where we break down personal finance and investing in ways that are simple, realistic, and most importantly, actionable. If you're looking to build wealth, gain financial freedom, or just finally figure out what all this investing stuff is about, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to start investing from scratch in 2025, no matter how little you know today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is your first step toward taking control of your financial future. Let's start with the big picture. Why is investing so important, especially today? The truth is, relying solely on your salary is rarely enough to achieve the life you want. Inflation eats away at your savings every year, and unexpected expenses can derail your plans. Investing is how you make your money work for you, rather than you always working for money. It's the engine that can turn small amounts of cash into real wealth over time. But let's be real. Getting started can feel intimidating. Maybe you've heard horror stories of people losing everything in the stock market. Maybe you believe you need a lot of money, or that investing is just for finance experts. The most common mistakes people make are waiting too long to start, believing they need to be perfect, or trying to get rich quick. The good news? You don't have to be an expert, and you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Here's the mindset shift. Investing is not gambling. It's a journey, and the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The most successful investors aren't the ones who know the most. They're the ones who get started, stay consistent, and keep learning. So, let's break down the fundamentals. What does investing actually mean? At its core, investing is putting your money into assets, things that can grow in value or produce income, so you can build wealth over time. There are many types of investments, but let's focus on the most popular. First, stocks. These represent small ownership pieces of companies. When you buy a stock, you're buying a slice of a business, and as that business grows, so does your investment. Next, ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are collections of stocks or other assets bundled together. They offer instant diversification, making them a great choice for beginners. Then there's real estate. This could mean buying property to rent out, or investing in real estate funds. Finally, cryptocurrencies, digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These can be risky and volatile, but some investors see big opportunities here. The key is understanding risk versus profitability. In general, higher potential returns come with higher risks. That's why it's crucial to balance your portfolio and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So how do you actually get started, step by step? Step 1. Review your personal finances. Take a hard look at your income, expenses, and debt. Make sure you're not investing money you'll need next month for rent or groceries. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Before you invest, save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This is your safety net, so you don't have to sell your investments in a panic if life throws you a curveball. Step 3. Choose a reliable investing platform. Look for one with low fees, strong security, and a user-friendly interface. Read reviews, ask friends, and don't be afraid to start small. Step 4. Make your first investment. Let's use a real example. Imagine you have $100 to invest. You open an account on a reputable platform, search for a broad market ETF, like one that tracks the S&P 500, and invest your money. Congratulations, you're now an investor. But watch out for common mistakes. Don't chase trends or try to time the market. Avoid putting all your money into one investment. Don't panic when the market dips. Ups and downs are normal. And never invest money you can't afford to lose. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. The most important step is the first one. Recap. Start with a solid financial foundation, build your emergency fund, choose a safe platform, and make your first investment. no matter how small. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments what your biggest investing question is. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with a friend who needs to hear it. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out our next video on how to choose your first stocks. It's packed with tips to help you make smarter decisions from day one. Your future self will thank you for starting today.